What up, YouTube? 89 box boy, and what I'm gonna be showing y'all is the Billets specialty pedals I installed on the box. Nice upgrade. You know, I had them and I just said forget it, I'll just go ahead and throw them in. And y'all know the details matter in these cars, and I'm definitely loving that Billets specialty look with them chrome pedals. And I also got the Dakota VHX installed on the box. And man, that VHX dash looks so good in the box. Give it so much class, you know what I'm saying? Give it that classy look, and you can't go wrong with the Dakota. So I chose the VHX, and what I had in here before is I had the Intralex, and to be honest, man, that's not it in my opinion. But you know, you do what you want to your car. Everybody got their own opinion, and everybody got their own style as far as flavor and what they doing to their cars. But the VHX is the what I chose to go with. I had both of them, and if you asking me to pick one, I'm definitely gonna pick the Dakota. What I'm working on today is I'm changing out the TBI injectors and the fuel pressure regulator. It's something I ain't never did. My boy, he went ahead and got his changed, and we kind of compared my spray pattern to his. And you know, of course, this car like 30 years old, so you know, I'm pretty sure the injector's never been changed. And when we compared the spray pattern, his was of course more spraying out stronger than mine's, you know, with the new injector. So I said, well, since mine's a little weaker, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and change them out. And I ordered the parts from Rock Auto. You know, the injectors for like 80-90 bucks a piece. And I got those, and I got a little kit for the gaskets, and then it was a fuel pressure regulator in there too. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that out, and we're gonna see the spray pattern on it before, and then I'm gonna do one after. So what we got right here, YouTube, we got two new injectors. I ordered these off Rock Auto. Part numbers here, and this is the fuel system. This is the TBI gasket kit with a fuel pressure regulator. They don't have the spring in there, so I'm just gonna reuse the spring that's already inside the spring that's in the TBI already. Yeah. It wasn't hard getting off. It shouldn't be hard because these screws on here is not tightened. So when you're putting it back on, make sure to not over tighten it. And I gotta take these screws off because the fuel pressure regulator is inside of there. And then here's the injectors. YouTube about taking batteries and clicking them and making sure the injectors click or something like that, or have a pulse. But they both work, they both sprayed. And once again, comparing them to my boy who just replaced his injectors, my spray pattern was weaker than his. So and I pretty much changed everything else on the car, full tune up,